good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. What do you say?
Wagwan in my yacht.
Yeah, my yacht. You guys, I am here navigating.
When I say my yacht.
I'm here navigating between listening to Tyler's stories, getting myself ready to drop him to school.
My yacht.
Hold on. And I'm about to go pick up Sarah to feed her before I head out. So I'm just sharing myself amongst everybody right now. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Enjoy today's vlog, whatever it is that we are about to share with you guys. And green juice on deck. If you're new to the channel, my green juice never changes every morning. Celery, apple, cucumber, lemon, ginger. The best tasting juice. Breakfast in the morning. Breakfast never changes. Sarah milk with cereal. About to go feed her now while I listen to Tyler's robot story. Carry on, my love.
You know how, Mama?
How what?
The robot finds the plant.
Alright, you're gonna tell me how, but in Sarah's room. So hold Sarah bottle and walk to her room. I'm coming. He's telling me about robots. That's okay. Go, we're gonna pick her up.
You do it.
Open the door. You're strong. Go. Oh, she's up and waiting. She's up and waiting. Good morning, princess.
Hello.
Hello. Mama drinking her green juice.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
All right, come on. Come.
You know how, Mama?
How what?
The robot finds the plant.
How the robot find the plants?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
It's not find the plant in first. First, Wally had find the plant in the middle of a garbage circle.
Okay, and what happened?
And then he put it in dirt. Then he put it in something crazy. And you know what it is that's crazy? He put it in a shoes.
You put it in a shoes?
Yes.
Okay. And it grew?
No, it didn't grow. Then he carried it with him. Then whenever going his house, in Wally's house, he what was it again? He had find that shoes.
Okay.
Then he was just like I find a plant like that. So he do that. Then when he finds the plant, he take it with him, and he had no button here. But when he has the plant, he had.
Okay.
Because he finds the plant.
Okay.
And there was a circle there, where I'm doing a circle right now. And in the middle of the circle, there was a plant. And that means that there is a plant. Then both of them go on a machine. And then Ed had no more battery.
Okay.
And then a rocket came with, that's where it came from. Then at the first, Wally, when the rocket was going down, Wally was staying under the rocket and looking at the bottom of the rocket. Then when it landed, he was like, I need some help. Then
You see yourself?
at the
Look,
last,
say hi. Hi.
at the last,
Hi.
at that time
Hi.
the rocket came back.
Sleep
What?
mode and all.
No, Wally know that she's going to be in trouble because there is air. Because Evie's going to go back, so Wally runs super fast.
Mama. Alright, you guys, so the multitasking never ends. No, Sarah, no. No. I am about to leave Sarah home with Papa and rush to drop Tyler at school right now. Oh. Ooh. Excuse me. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Because I'm about to make today a good day. What's wrong?
Don't want any more.
That's fine. Delaveaus, see you guys later.
See you guys later, my youth.
Later, my yacht.
Later, my youth.
Alright, you
I
take
don't
it.
say bye-bye in patois, not bye-bye in English, and not bye-bye in French.
You want to say it in Spanish?
No.
You still in bye-bye too?
No, I'm going to say adios. I'm just joking. Adios.
Alright.
Adios, amigos.
My gosh, you guys, I finished working out and even wash. I hand wash because of course my washing machine is still not fixed. The man that was supposed to come and look at it cancelled from last week to this week. So hopefully he'll come to look at it this Wednesday and don't cancel again. So I did my workout. I'm a bit tired and I went straight to wash Sarah's clothes. Baby's about to go put them out on the line for me. So in the meantime, I am making some lunch and dinner for Sarah. I'm in the process of doing the lunch right now before she wakes up for lunch. I'm making her some sweet potato fish and zucchini for lunch, and then I'll decide what her dinner is gonna be. But I need to get the lunch up and going because she's gonna want that when she wake up. It's a good start to the week. Let's pray our week continue to go well. Whatever it is we have to do, just get it done. Time management and multitask will do it. But I'll figure it out, girl. Can you come and say morning, baby? Baby's going out to put the clothes on the line for me. He's home today. He's working from home today. I'm telling them that you're working from home today. It's chilly out.
Yeah, winter's coming.
Winter is coming or winter is here?
Winter is coming. Is not that.
We turned on the
cold.
heaters yesterday.
We turned
Just
on the
a
heater
little bit. We
yesterday.
didn't turn them up too much.
Yeah, for the
Just a
kids,
little
right? For
bit,
her too.
Yeah,
So-
sometimes I feel like, "Ugh."
No, but that's like, good morning first. No, winter's coming, and well, that's normal. That's almost December. Tomorrow, December.
And we're just turning on heater. It's good.
Yeah, that's fine. So it's starting for the next 3,
Month.
4 months. Chilly. Let's see.
Especially January and February.
Let's see, yeah,
Cold.
January, February. As long as there's no wind, because when it's cold and windy,
Extra cold.
extra cold. So yeah, as long as it's not windy, we'll be fine. And we're in lockdown, so we just have to stay home.
We ain't got nowhere to go.
I don't got nowhere to go. Alright, gotta go.
I miss Christmas market. I miss it all. Every time of year, you stay inside. Anyway, you guys, y'all stay safe and wear your mask. I made sure I put mask in Tyler bag this morning because his transition to the other school, the big school, should start today. I mean, we don't know at what point throughout the day his teacher will take him over to the big school and at what point he'll come back. But I put 2 masks in his bag. One for whenever he's going to transition, and just in case he's a kid, in case he might fall out of his pocket or fall somewhere and he doesn't realize that it fall from him, he'll have a backup. So your boy is ready for transition, because when he start doing big school, he's it's a must to wear mask over the big school. So he's excited. He's pretty excited. So each day when he gets home from school, he'll tell us what happened throughout the day and if he went over and if not. But we'll keep you guys updated, and of course you guys are a part of our family, so you guys gotta be in the know of what's going on. So let me go continue cooking before my girl wake up, and I also need to make Babe and I lunch and just breathe a bit before I start working. So have a good day. My job here is done. Dinner for a few days, lunch for a few days, lunch for now, and then lunch for Babe and I when we're ready. That's a tuna salad. In here I have lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, some raisins, a little dry coconuts. That's that. Tuna and eggs. Yep. Now I need to go pick up my girl and feed her lunch while I coach Babe working out. Come on, don't waste no time. Get as much reps in. Come on, stop bending when you go up. You're supposed to stand straight. Come on, let's go. Come on, swing, man. Keep going. One more. Good job. Delaveaus, you're eating lunch. Dylan, you're eating lunch.
7 minutes, 40 seconds.
Say, I'm eating lunch. I'm eating lunch. Final redeem. That's it. That's it. There we go. See, you get it. Come on. And the minute you feel balanced, you go faster. That's it. Come on, keep going. Push the ball out your way. Burpee, go. Come on, let's go. Come on, give me them push up properly. That's it. Looking good. Come on. Come on, keep going. That's it. Come on. Come on, one more. One more. All right, come, sit here. Go. Look directly at Sarah. Your face not supposed to move. Right, keep it steady. Come on. Twist that ball. Come on, let's go. Very good. You're looking good. Come on, almost there. Good job. I just wanted to come on to say a big, huge happy birthday to one of our subscribers, Stacy, and what that's watching all the way from JA. Stacy and message me and say, Mel, the 3rd of December is my birthday, girl, and all that I want is a shout out from you for my birthday. So she sent it just in time when this vlog will be coming out on the 3rd of December. So happy birthday, girl. Hope you have a good day. Love you lots, and thanks for always watching. Thanks for always supporting, whether you're late to the vlog, whether you comment or not. It's appreciated. Gratitude. Have a good day, my love. Mwah. Put it here. Put it in here. Here. In here. Yeah!
Okay, this one, put it in here. Yay! Here. This one goes here. Put it in this one. This one. Here. Yay! This one goes in here. Put it in here, this one. Look, here. Put it. Not in the mouth. No, here. Put it in here. In here. Yay! Yay! High five. High five, Mama. High five. Yay! You did good. Good job, princess. Making some meatballs, which I haven't made in a while. They bought this at the supermarket, so I decided to make it. Tyler loves meatballs, so he'll be happy. And what else go with meatballs other than spaghetti? So spaghetti's going there, and then over here I have some broccolis going. So that's what dinner is gonna be for the fam bam today, girl. Okay, guys, mission accomplished. My job here is done. Spaghetti is done. Meatballs is done. Looking good. And broccoli is green and vibrant. Look who is home from school.
Wagwan and Shania. Because she's a subscriber for
Yeah, but doesn't mean that she's watching.
Hello, fave.
Right.
Wagwan. No, I mean Wagwan youth.
Sarah, no, thank you. Give it to Mama, please. Can you give it to me? She's still running like an Olympics. Thank you. Give it to me. Tyler calls Sarah Twinket. It's the cutest thing ever. Twinket. I don't know where you get that from. Twinket. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. You want to see yourself, don't you? Once the screen flips up and she sees herself, she's happy. Alright, you guys, so my dinner is warming without the pasta. Mine is just the veggies and the meatball. I'm showing you a shot of babe.
Selvina, ici. 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 Non. Ici. Ici. Non. Comme ça. Comme ça. Et. Ouh, les petits.
I was teaching Sarah how to put the things in the hole.
Mama.
I was watching you teaching Sarah to put the things in the hole.
Mama.
Yeah.
Another quack. I mean another.
They're too cute. I love seeing them spending time with each other. Look at these two big kids. They're building this tower because they know that Sarah loves towers, and Sarah is itching to get out of the chair to go and hit it down, right? Ready? Ready to go?
No.
You ready to go? You guys are silly. Look how you're gonna let it fall before she reach up there. Oh my gosh. Tyler is taller than you. Sarah. Exactly. Sarah wants to get up. It's gonna fall. You guys gonna ruin it. Honey, it's shaking. Oh my god, it is shaking. And you guys going to ruin it right now. Sarah, you ready? Ah! Look at that. Look at Sarah's face. Sarah, you ready? Let's go kill it. Let the lion out the den. Look at her right now. Protect her, please.
You should have cut your face.
Oh my god, hilarious. Look at this floor. We gotta clean this up right now and put them to bed. Dead to the prime.
Hey guys, I look red now. I look like a tomato.
Me too.
Does it look like the same color? Why you laugh?
Because it does look like the same color.
This I look like a tomato. It's like if I just ran a marathon. You're tired.
Very tired, and it's after midnight.
And it's after midnight. Sorry. Well, this one is on me.
Can't I just go to bed early one night?
This one is on me. But guys,
go to bed 8 o'clock.
I woke out this morning. I don't know if I was on camera or not. I woke out. I feel completely dead. I mean,
Your wife kill you?
my foot. It's not my abs or thing. It's my foot. I can feel that. I don't used to walk a lot on my foot, and these last days I didn't run like an hour of fields to feel my legs like this, but the little thing that I did on my legs, it feels terrible right now. So yeah.
And I kill workout myself this morning, so I'm done too.
I'm gonna have a bad night. When I have that feeling, I
want to kick him out the bed. Kick him out the bed.
I'm gonna turn 10 times and she can't fall asleep too and she get mad.
Kick him, send him in the couch.
I make her mad.
Tonight is not the night for him to get on my nerve.
Turn and twist. Why?
Because I'm tired.
You fall asleep. You won't even figure it out how to turn and twist. That's good.
The good thing about tonight is that I'm so tired I won't even know when he's doing his bullshit over there. Yes, when I'm tired I snore. I have to wake up her. I
have to slap her and to wake up her. Wake up!
Funny enough, it's the same for both of us. He only snores when he's extra tired, and I'm the exact same. He doesn't snore otherwise, and I don't snore otherwise. But when I'm tired, and when he said, "Baby, I snore," and I'm like, "Oh,
to fall asleep."
I don't snore. What are you talking about?
It's like a thunder. Anyway, guys, that's our stories.
Ooh, the shit we chat at night. Anyway, you guys. Look at babe, he started shaving his face.
Let his father. I started to shave, and because I use electric shaver, it crashed on me. The battery dead on me. So I finished tomorrow. I mean,
so you only
I
have
charged
the
it
middle
back.
remain. Look at the middle.
Yes,
only hair remain on the sides.
I did here. I did. I almost finished here, and it done.
His style for the night.
You see how she did to me?
Anyway, you guys.
What she did to me?
You the worst than that to me.
Oh.
Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
in that talk
tomorrow. Say tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
1, 2, 3. Tomorrow. Oh, you're not.